Okay, hi everybody, this is Stan with Vallarta Fishing Experience here at the 3rd annual Marlin and Tuna Tournament out here at Maribel Hotel. One of the nice things about the tournament here is that there's never a shortage of beautiful women. And these ladies right here are from Pacifico, they're really nice. ¿Cómo se llama?
Sandra Baena.
¿Y cómo se llama?
Fabiola Ornelas.
Fabio. Bienvenido.
Gracias.
Bienvenido.
Bienvenidos.
Okay, and tonight, who knows what might happen if I have a few more of these puppies, huh? We'll see you later. For those of you that couldn't be here this year, don't worry about it. We're going to show you all the action. We're going to be here. We're going to go down and show you the weigh-in. We'll be putting you on a boat tomorrow. You can catch some action. Hopefully we'll come in with a winner. You never know. But the bottom line is you don't need to be here. All you need to be is with us.
For tomorrow, I promise we'll catch a big fish.
Más grande mañana, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, well, amigos, felicidades.
Gracias.
Good luck for tomorrow. Good deal.
Nice to meet you.
Hello once again, everybody. This is Stan with Vallarta Fishing Experience. Here we are at day 2. We're waiting for the boats to come in. You can see it's a lot different than it was yesterday. There's going to be a lot more action. There's a lot more people. We're just waiting to see what comes in this afternoon. Hopefully we're going to see some bigger fish than yesterday. But whatever happens, you're going to be right in the middle of it with all the action.
Howdy, welcome to PV Beach Club. This is the biggest little beach bar in downtown Puerto Vallarta. We have an absolute gorgeous view of the bay. We have whales, we have turtles coming and laying their eggs on the beach. Incredibly good cold beer at all times. Seafood and fresh snacks. Live music on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday nights at the karaoke. An excellent, excellent commodity with lots and lots of good friends. So come on down to Puerto Vallarta's safest beach, 6-star beach here in downtown Puerto Vallarta, right before you get to the Malecon, and meet your friends. Have a good time, make free phone calls to the United States, use the internet free, say hi, get to know us, and use this as your home away from home when you're in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico.
Toothpaste are all in.
Good time.
Time. I hope we can see y'all here next year. If you're interested in joining the tournament next year, go to Riviera.com, or you can go to PV Capta and we can set you up also. Until then, this is Stan again from Vallarta Fishing Experience. Looking forward to seeing you next year. Hasta luego.